Hey guys, welcome back to custom home video for Galaxy S5. So guys, Galaxy S5 is a still great device to use it as a secondary phone. It has 5.1 inch AMOLED display. It's pretty comfortable phone. It's also lightweight and also it can be used in a one-handed mode. Android 4 was the last update received on the Galaxy S5. So to use the latest and the greatest Android is by installing custom ROM on your phone. So here we will use CRDroid, which is based on Android 11. So guys, Android 12 ROM is still not available for the Galaxy S5 devices, but you can use Android 11. Android 11 is still a latest Android version and also stable than Android 12. So guys, before proceeding further, make sure your phone has above 50% of battery and it's sufficiently charged to avoid any boot loop or anything. So guys, Samsung Galaxy with the Snapdragon version is the only phone that supports custom ROM. Or if you have Exynos version, then you cannot install custom ROM on your phone. So only Snapdragon users, please try to install custom ROM. If you have Exynos, then I don't suggest to do anything on your phone. So this was the information that I want to give. So let's begin the video. So boot your phone into the recovery. The ROM file is given in the description box below, and make sure guys you place the ROM on the SD card. Don't flash it through the internal storage. Use a pen drive or SD card to flash the ROM on your Galaxy phones. So after booting the phone into recovery, just go to the wipe and just go to the advanced wipe and select Dalvik system data and cache and just swipe to wipe. So it will wipe your old stock ROM. Now just go back, just go to home page, just go to install and just select storage from here. So I have placed my ROM in SD card, so I will select micro SD. Okay, so here is the CRDroid Android 11 file. So just select the ROM file and select skip digest before installing zip, and now select swipe to confirm flash. So here you can see that it is CRDroid Android and it's installing. As you guys can see, it has latest security patch of March 3rd 2022 and its Android version is Android 11. So wait till it installs. So now as you guys can see that the ROM has been installed successfully. Now just go to the back, select the open arm. So it's a GApps file, means Google and Google Apps file. Now just select confirm to flash. So here you can see it's installing the GApps. So you have to install GApps or you will not be able to use Google services on your phone. So the link of the GApps and the link of the ROM file is given in the description box below. Download the ROM file from the link given and now type YES here. Okay, just select it. So it is formatting my data. It's a necessary step if you are coming from the stock ROM. If you are coming from the custom ROM, then you can skip this step if your custom ROM is not encrypted. If your custom ROM is encrypted, then you have to follow the steps to avoid boot loop. Now just select reboot system. So it started to reboot the system. So as you guys can see that install zip has been successful and the GApps has been successfully installed on my phone. So now just go to the wipe. Make sure you take a backup of your phone before performing this. So ROM started to boot up. So guys, ROM will take around 5 to 6 minutes for the first startup. As it's an 8-year-old phone, it was released in 2014. So it's an 8 year, so it processor is now not capable, so it will take some time. After booting, it's a great custom ROM compared to the stock OS. So first time booting will take around 5 to 6 minutes. So ROM booted is successfully, completing the initial setup. So it asks you for the passcode and all that stuff. So just completing the setup and we'll catch you guys. This is the anti-flicker issue, that the black spot you are seeing here. It's not a ROM bug, it's an AMOLED phone. So AMOLED phone has that anti-flicker issue like this when you record it with a camera. So ROM booted successfully, you get this kind of animation on battery, this kind of animation you on display. So guys, ROM is pretty good and it comes with Android 11. So from here, CRDroid setting you can customize on your own way. It has so many customization icons. And if you go to the about phone, you get Android 11 on March 5th 2022 security patch level, and here it is. This is the Android 11. So guys, this is the video. I hope you liked this video. So if you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel. So thank you for watching. Bye.